So let's talk about day-to-day care of your birds. So you want to change water in the cage every day. We're changing water every day, and always we add some vitamins. So these are special drops that contain vitamin C, and we're adding it to the water. Then we're changing food maybe once a day, or maybe once in 2 days, depending on how much do they eat. But still you want to change the food constantly. Don't let it to become stale. You always want to provide fresh seeds to your birds. Once or twice a week we give baths to our birds. So we purchase these special bathtubs for the birds. We put warm water into them, and the birds will try the water first, and if it likes the temperature, it will go inside and will do some splashing. Looks very funny actually. At night you want to give sense of security to your bird, so you would like to cover the bird cage. At home we use this old bed sheets or old window coverings, and then obviously once a week, or more often if you would like, you want to clean the whole cage, which means you want to throw away all the food. You want to replace maybe covering again at the bottom of the cage. For example, our cage has a tray which collects all the seeds, leftovers, and all the feces on it, and then we take out the tray, wash it, clean out all the perches, all the wires at the bottom of the cage. So this way you will protect your birds from catching a disease, and will provide clean air in your room, which is very important. You don't want it to be smelly. Another thing, when we talk about Gouldian finches, it's important to mention that they are very prone to catching air-sac mites. So I'd like to recommend this treatment called SCAT. You can purchase it online, and what you do, you have to once in 3 months make couple drops to your finches, and it will protect it from air-sac mites. So if you're following this recommendation, your birds would be healthy, they will live long and happy life, and will breed. Thank you for your attention.